Today, we will be reviewing Joe and Seph's gourmet popcorn from London.
I'm coming.
Let's eat popcorn!
Show them the box first.
Oh.
What is it called?
Joe and Steph's gourmet popcorn chef and connoisseur. Established 2010. It's handmade in London.
Yeah, it's a London brand. You didn't know?
Oh, alright.
And where is this from? Who gave this to you?
My company.
Okay. We have all these different popcorn. Which one do you want to start?
Oh, look, this one.
We've tried this one already. It's salted caramel gourmet popcorn.
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
I like it. I like it. I don't think it's salted.
I only taste the caramel.
It's all good.
Okay, next one. You can choose.
Mature cheddar cheese. I feel like it's Christmas.
Did you get
Yeah!
to try all these popcorn flavors?
You think it smells like fart?
No!
Oh, it smells like fart!
It kind of smells bad. It smells very cheesy.
It's mature cheddar. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh,
That cheese is very strong.
it's intense.
It's good though.
I'll eat it.
Next one. What is it? You have to read it.
Caramel and Belgian chocolate. It's Christmas!
I bet this one's hella good.
Smells good.
I think this one's my favorite so far.
It tastes like caramel at first and then a hint of chocolate.
That one's good.
I like that.
The last-
Peanut butter popcorn, peanut butter
That
popcorn.
one's peanut butter?
Peanut butter. I don't think you're gonna like this.
No?
I don't think so.
Why?
It smells like peanuts.
Oh.
This reminds me of something. Peanut brittle?
Yeah. It's not as peanut buttery as I thought it would be.
It tastes like real peanuts, not peanut butter.
Yeah. Like healthy peanuts.
Well, too healthy for me. Classic caramel. I wonder if this one's any different than the sea salt one.
I don't know. Because I didn't taste the salt in the other one.
I mean, probably all of this has salt already. Oh, it smells good. Oh,
It's sweeter.
a little bit heavier, I think.
It has like a maltier
Malt,
taste.
yeah, that's what it is.
Like-
Ooh, I like it.
You wanna try this?
Well, this toffee, apple, and cinnamon.
You might like
Just by the name of it, I'm grossed out. Apple. Why do they have to put apple in there? Why can't you just call it
it.
toffee?
Okay, just open it. Just smell it and see. I'll try it first
You
to
try
see
it.
if you
You
like
always
it.
tell me, it doesn't taste like apple.
But you like apples.
I hate apple juice. I hate apple juice. I like apple cider.
You're a weirdo.
I don't
Your
think I can
taste
even.
buds are
I don't think I
weird.
can even smell this one.
Really?
Yeah.
It smells like apple pie.
Oh, I can't eat that. I will not eat that. Good for you.
It's all me?
Yep.
Okay. It's not that, the taste isn't the strong part.
I don't even care. It's not worth
Okay.
the calories. I'm gonna throw this away. Where's the trash?
Last one. What is
Milk
this?
chocolate
Is popcorn?
popcorn bites. This looks like just chocolate with popcorn on top. Ooh.
Or like chocolate covered popcorn?
Yeah. Oops. Chocolate, not fart.
It looks so funny.
Oh, that's good. Mmm. There's some salt in there.
Mm-hmm. It's more chocolate than I thought it would be.
Mmm.
What was your favorite?
I eat all of them.
You like all of them?
I would probably say my least favorite was the cheddar one because it smelled like a fart. Well, my least favorite is the one with apple, then cheddar, then peanut butter, and then the chocolate caramel ones are all good.
All good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I like the caramel ones the best.
All right. Should we eat dinner now?
Okay.